So these are my onions.
Okay.
First year ever doing onions, and it was quite the fail. I planted them, a lot of the little ones didn't survive. We had a few survive, but as you can see, a lot of the necks are already broken. So I'm pretty sure half of them have stopped growing. And they're still pretty small. So we might get one normal sized onion out of it. Maybe two. We'll see.
Okay. What do you got over here?
This is tomatoes. So I've got 5 different varieties. And this one is a indigo cherry. So it's kind of like a blue color, and then when it ripens, it gets a little bit more red at the bottom. We just tried that out the other night, and it was really good.
That looks good.
It's just taking a while to ripen.
Where are we going next?
Pretty much just have cucumbers on the trellises back there. We did have some volunteer tomatoes in the plot, so the random tomatoes around are just little volunteers that decided to show up. Eggplant is here in the front. Got about 12 different pepper plants. Had a mishap with the seedlings and lost the signage on them. So it's been a fun surprise to see what peppers show up as they flower and produce.
This one's got a lot of peppers on it. Wow.
Yeah. We did pull the lettuce and the beans because they were pretty much done for the year. So they served great lifespan with us, but they were done. So haven't replanted anything there yet.
Okay.
Over here is the zucchini and squash area. So we've got a few different zucchini plants. Delicata squash on the first trellis, and the second trellis has butternut squash.
Nice.
So definitely hoping to get some nice winter squashes. Got a couple pumpkin plants, but yeah, we'll wait to see what we get.
Sweet.
Okay. A lot of flowers, I guess. Oh man, I'm sweating.
Okay.
Okay, so this here is a volunteer of some sort of gourd, squash, pumpkin type plant. Not quite sure, but it is absolutely massive. We've kind of taken upon myself and the other gardener to just kind of keep it maintained and alive. So we'll water it occasionally, and it's just gone wild. So it started off with just a little growth, and then actually like tripled in size before any of our gardens started growing. So it's been fun. Yeah, not quite sure what it is, but
Gotta be somewhat safe.
the birds got to them or not. Look at these little stubby cucumbers. I think there's a pear tree.
Yeah,
Well, this is the blueberry patch, and I'm hoping to harvest some blueberries today. Looks like there's still quite a few.
yeah, they're good.
They are good. Okay.
I was gonna get you doing this, but
Oh, I know you have a lot of fun with it.
this is Tiana. It's supposed to be Tiana's adventure.
It's everybody's adventures.
Ooh, that is super hot. I feel like I'm getting sunburned on my. Oh yeah, look at that. There's nice bunches here.
There's a spider on your finger. Other one.
Oh, there's a lot right here.
They're not bad. These are big ones. Almost lost them. There you go. Oh, there's a few up top, but I'm too short.
grab those. There's some fat ones on this one. How'd we do?
Got a good amount. Some big ones, some small ones.
Looks pretty good.
So we are harvesting. Well, are we harvesting? No. We're processing our harvest of blueberries from today. Basically just de-stemming them and gonna wash them for all the bugs. There shouldn't be anything on them pesticide wise, but definitely need to get them cleaned up so we can eat them.
A few moments later.
It looks like we got most of them separated, but we got a little bit of branches in there.
Yeah, very tedious process, but luckily the blueberries are pretty firm still. They're not too warm from the car ride, so not too bad separating them off. Got some little baby ones and some big ones. And a few green ones. For only what, like 10 minutes of picking?
Yeah, I know. It's actually pretty good.
Get all the little scraps. Now's the fun part. We get to clean the berries. You could probably rinse them in vinegar if you wanted, or baking soda, but these are all natural, so we're just using water. And that's our hole, all nice and clean. Wow! Our final product. Here's all of our blueberries, nice and clean.
Yeah, those look really good.
Can't wait to enjoy them. Oh, I am enjoying right now. Yeah, they're really good. Nice and sweet.
All right, so what do we got going over here?
Well, this is our most recent harvest of today. We had a really nice chiffon squash, yellow squash. This one's a kind of deformed chiffon squash. Lots of lemon cucumbers that were ready to go. We did have one tomato. It's almost ready, so we'll let it ripen over the next couple days. Lots of hot wax peppers, so can make some fun stuff with these. and a lot of jalapenos. So, got lots of peppers.
Nice.
1 eggplant, and a couple just little beans from our last bean plant that has made it through the summer. Lots of white cucumbers. These are fun. This is my first year growing them, and yeah, something new to add to the harvest. And then just regular pickling cucumbers, the tried and trues. Then we have our edamame that I harvested last week, and I think I waited a little too long before I harvested, so they're not all the way at an edible point. A lot of them are a little bit just over over the top with dryness. So there's a few good ones still. I'll have to dig through and sort out which ones we can eat, and then the ones that are ready to dry I will save for seed for next year. This is some indigo tomatoes. These I was hoping would ripen inside. We'll see if they still do. First year growing them, so I'm not quite sure what they're gonna look like. But to give you an idea, this is a ripe one where it's more blush and red at the bottom. These ones are a lot of green, so we'll see. And then these are some tomatillos that I had picked a few days ago. Cleaned them up, and as you can see, some of them are splitting, so I think I've waited a little too long on them. But yeah, we've got a few extra beans from last week, and this was the harvest last week in the full bowl. Lots of good things, a lot of the same stuff we harvested today, but we did have some white bell peppers, the mini bells, which has been fun, and some regular zucchinis, and some little baby cherry tomatoes. So getting a few. Still waiting on our full harvest of tomatoes.
With Tiana's harvest, I decided to use my cooking skills, and we made some tomato sauce. In the future, hopefully we'll be able to make some videos on cooking and showing you how to cook your harvest a little bit better so it tastes excellent.
This is the harvest over the last few weeks. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next harvest. But whoa!
I decided to make with Tiana's, hold on, cut, take 2.
Got some sunflowers.
Oh shoot, the harvest. Don't worry, I'll edit all of that out.
Yeah.
Let me see what we got going on here. Did my phone die? Oh, my phone got too hot. What happened?
Attacked by a bee. Do I need to talk or no?
Yes.
Oh.
So